Hi, I'm Don Fullerton, and I'm a member of the IBEW Local 58. I turned out from an apprentice into a journeyman last year, and I've been working on a whole bunch of green energy projects. I got into the electrical program because I was actually going to Oakland Community College in electronics or possibly engineering. There was a posting in the hallway for electrical apprentices. Through my apprenticeship, I actually learned many different things that helped me in obtaining green energy jobs, especially the wind turbine job.
Our apprenticeship program is a 5-year program, and quite honestly, if you were to look at the materials covered, the stack of books is about that high. Essentially what happens is our apprentices come to school 1 day every 2 weeks for technical training. The rest of the time they're out on the job working with contractors, learning how to do installations on a practical level. Our National Joint Apprenticeship Training Committee develops curriculum for all of our 300 training centers across the United States. That training is standardized, but we do some specialty training here in Detroit that may not necessarily be covered in other locals. Because of our industrial base, all of our apprentices receive welding training. They get basic training as an apprentice, but if they want to come back and be a certified welder, then they can come back as a journeyman and do continuing education classes and get a certification. The same thing goes for solar. We have an extensive solar training that is part of our apprenticeship training. We do additional training for journeymen to get them up to speed on what they need to know about that technology in order to go out and do those installations. Wind turbine training, we start off with OSHA safety training. We follow up with rigging certification, because many times you have to hoist objects with a crane in order to get them up on a wind turbine site. And then we follow that up with high voltage cable splicing training. Really, our goal here is to have a comprehensive training program for electrical workers so that somebody who comes in the door and goes through our 5-year apprenticeship comes out and ends up kind of like I did when I graduated. The following day, they gave me a first period apprentice and a roll of blueprints, and they said, go out there and do the job. And I was able to do it. You know, the training is a good thing. I'm very proud of that. It's really the backbone of our union, the fact that we are skilled tradespeople and able to take on any type of electrical job, whether it's traditional or whether it's what we would call a new green job.
I've had the opportunity to work on 3 different types of wind turbines. I've been on 3 different projects. It has been amazing. And the doors that have been opened with the fact that we are going to a greener society and that we're going to be doing more of these types of projects has been fantastic.